Thutha wa aikari a matura matiganite thiini wa gicigo kia ubunge gia Gikuyu kaunti-ini ya KIAMBU kunyamario kwa ihinda ni EKINAI aria makoretwo makiia matawa ma sola micii-ini. Riu maabitha a borithi ni marikitie kuhithukia indo cia wici na oho gwikia ngono EKUIRWO ana. O ne kuringana na kamanda wa borithi wa Gikuyu Joseph Ndege agikira ndeto ino mukonde nja ya CECENI ya borithi ya Gikuyu.
Kawaida vifaa vya sola hapa zimekuwa zikipotea. Kuanzia for the last 2 months we have been experiencing an upsurge crime of its own, theft of solar systems. We know that the government has a very aggressive initiative of installation of solar systems, both within the institutions, in private areas. But that one notwithstanding, we have some groups of people. They are very aggressive. After the installations of these systems, wanakuja wanaibia.
Ndege ni atariirie uria mamukirire riboti cia kwihokeka kuma kuri muingi na borithi mahota kurumanirira na EKINAI acio thutha mutheri mahota kumaikia ngono.
Early this morning we got some information that there was a suspect who has been on our list by the name Collins Hisa, who has been living within our midst. He has been operating with a clique of people, but he is the main masterminder.
Ikinya riri ni ritugiritio ni aikari a Gikuyu aria matariirie ruo ruria makoretwo magitungio ni EKINAI aya.
Ni gukoretwo na wici wa solar panels, CCTV cameras, ona ngari cie parking-ini ugakoraga to parts ni tuyitwo tuingi muno.
Andu aitu guku Kikuyu ni gukoretwo kwina mohoro mau ugakora hena wici peti matawa marekirwo mado individual na no urona ginya maria marekirwo makanju tungihota kunyita mikore ino itige kuiya ona matura maitu ni megukome secure tondu riria mundu arathia gekira itawa niria kumumurikira utuku mukorago kakaiya ne kugate ugiteri ni ugukorwo ukihaguka thini wa matura maitu.
Aikari aya riu makienda maabitha a borithi guthii na mbere na birigiceni ino niguo kuhitana na EKINAI aya othe
na mathina mbere kunyita micicio ni tuonete ingi tukimarehe haha thitu andu a biashara ni tukoretwo tukimenyitira na tukamarehe haha na OCS tugakorwo tugicommunicate nake koguo ni turamahoya mathina mbere kuruta wira ucio mwega na ni tugukena muno
atwaro igoti-ini ma face justice na muno ona mahote kuga ginya aria angi makoro makiya nao na kuria mathia kwendia makoro makiumbura nigetha tuhote kunina ukoro uyu wa kuya matawa na maundu ma sola.
Ana aya marerikana gukorwo makinyamaria aikari a matura matiganite guku Gikuyu na gucoka kwendia indo ciao Ngara kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Kwa ihinda riri ana aya mahingiritwo CECENI-ini ya borithi ya Gikuyu guku uthuthuria makiria ugitwarithio na mbere.
This morning, after arresting this suspect ran us to a certain hideout within the areas of Ngara, whereby we were able to recover assorted solar systems, especially solar panel, more than 10 of them. We have the rights, 1 or 2, and we are likely to recover more.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.